Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Noah and Allie. Welcome back, everyone.
It's great to be here again.
It really is.
And Noah, today's episode is a little different.
Oh,
Today we're talking about ourselves.
that sounds fun.
I think so too.
Although I have a question.
What's that?
Why do people get nervous when someone says, "Tell me about yourself"?
Because it's scary.
Is it?
Yes.
Why?
Because my brain suddenly stops working.
Just like that?
Just like that.
Interesting.
It's true.
Well, today we're going to make it easy.
Good.
No pressure.
I like that.
No tests.
Even better.
Just a conversation.
My favorite way to learn English.
Mine too.
Before we begin, thank you to everyone listening today.
We really appreciate it.
And if you enjoy these conversations, don't forget to subscribe.
All right, Allie.
Yes?
Let's begin.
Okay.
Tell me about yourself.
We're starting with the scary question already?
Of course.
Wow.
Take your time.
Okay.
No rush.
My name is Allie.
Good start.
I enjoy learning English.
Nice.
I love reading books.
Very nice.
And I enjoy watching movies.
See?
See what?
You already answered the question.
That was easier than I expected.
Exactly.
Maybe I worry too much.
Maybe a little.
Okay, maybe a lot.
I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you.
Let's learn a little more about you.
All right.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a quiet town.
Really?
Yes,
What was it like?
it was peaceful.
Peaceful sounds nice.
It was.
Was it a big town?
No,
Small?
pretty small.
Did everyone know everyone?
Almost.
Wow.
Sometimes that was nice.
And sometimes not?
Exactly.
That's funny.
One time I went to a store,
Okay.
and before I got home, 3 people already knew I was there.
That's impressive.
Small town superpowers.
Apparently.
What about you?
I grew up in a busier place.
Really?
Yes,
Did you like it?
I did.
Why?
There was always something happening.
That sounds exciting.
It was.
I think I would enjoy that.
Maybe.
But I also like quiet places.
Me too.
Sometimes quiet is nice.
Especially after a busy day.
Exactly.
Now I have another question.
Go ahead.
What were you like as a child?
Oh no.
What?
There are many stories.
That's good.
For you,
For everyone.
I was very curious.
Really?
Very curious.
What kind of questions did you ask?
Everything.
Everything?
Everything.
Give me an example.
Why is the sky blue?
Classic.
Why do birds fly?
Good question.
Why do fish swim?
Also good.
Why do I have to go to bed?
Ah,
That was my favorite one.
I'm sure your parents loved hearing that.
I don't think they did.
Probably not.
I also talked a lot.
Really?
Can you imagine?
No.
You're joking.
Maybe.
Fair enough.
Did you have a favorite toy?
Yes,
What was it?
a stuffed bear.
Really?
Yes,
Did it have a name?
of course.
What was its name?
Mr. Bear.
Mr. Bear?
I wasn't very creative.
I noticed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What about you?
I loved building things.
Building things?
Yes.
Like what?
Little towers,
Oh,
little houses,
nice.
anything I could build.
Were you good at it?
Not always.
Did things fall down?
Frequently.
That's part of learning.
Exactly.
I like that.
Now let's talk about school.
Okay.
Did you enjoy school?
Most of the time.
Most?
Not all.
Fair enough.
Some days were great.
And some days were boring?
Very boring.
I think everyone understands that.
Definitely.
What was your favorite subject?
Reading.
I'm shocked.
You're not shocked.
You're right.
Everyone knew that answer.
Probably our listeners.
Probably.
What did you enjoy about reading?
I loved stories.
Me too.
I liked meeting different characters.
That's a great way to describe books.
Every book felt like a new adventure.
I agree.
What was your favorite subject?
History.
Really?
Yes,
Why history?
because I love stories too.
History is stories?
Of course.
I never thought about it that way.
History is the story of people.
That's actually interesting.
See?
Maybe I should pay more attention to history.
It's never too late.
Good point.
Did you have a favorite teacher?
I did.
What made that teacher special?
She was kind.
That's important.
Very important.
Anything else?
She made learning fun.
That's the best kind of teacher.
I agree.
Learning should be enjoyable.
Not scary.
Definitely not scary.
Speaking of people,
Yes?
let's talk about family.
Great idea.
Family is an easy topic.
Usually.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
I do.
Really?
Yes.
Older or younger?
Younger.
Or are you a good older sibling?
I'd like to think so.
That sounds suspicious.
What does that mean?
It means your sibling might have a different answer.
I could be right.
I knew it.
What about you?
I have a family that is very supportive.
That's wonderful.
They always encouraged me to learn new things.
That's important.
Very important.
Did they support your English learning?
Absolutely.
That's great.
Sometimes they listen to me practice,
Really?
even when I made mistakes.
That's how we learn.
Exactly.
What's one thing you've learned from your family?
That's a big question.
Take your time.
I think I've learned kindness.
That's a beautiful answer.
What about you?
I think I've learned patience.
Patience.
Yes,
That's a useful skill.
especially when learning something new.
Like English.
Exactly. We've already talked about childhood, school, and family.
And somehow everyone learned that I asked way too many questions as a child.
That was definitely one of the highlights.
I regret nothing.
I expected that answer.
Good.
Now, let's talk about something fun.
What's that?
Hobbies.
Oh, I like this topic.
I know you do.
How do you know?
Because you've mentioned books at least 10 times already.
Only 10?
Maybe 20.
That's more accurate.
So tell us about your hobbies.
Well, my favorite hobby is reading.
No way.
I know, very surprising.
Nobody could have predicted that.
Not a single person.
Tell me why you enjoy reading so much.
I love getting lost in a story.
That's a nice way to say it.
Sometimes I start reading for 10 minutes.
And?
Then I look at the clock.
And?
3 hours have passed.
That's happened to me before.
Really?
Absolutely.
It's like time disappears.
That's usually a sign of a good book.
Exactly.
Do you prefer reading in the morning or at night?
Definitely at night.
Why?
Everything feels quieter.
I understand that.
What about you?
I enjoy reading too.
But not as much as me.
Probably not.
See?
I also enjoy going for walks.
Really?
Yes,
I like walks too.
there's something relaxing about them.
Especially when the weather's nice.
Exactly.
Do you listen to music while walking?
Sometimes.
I do that a lot.
What kind of music?
It depends on my mood.
Good answer.
If I'm feeling energetic, I listen to upbeat music.
Makes sense.
If I'm tired, I listen to something calm.
I do the same thing.
Music is powerful.
It really is.
A song can completely change your mood.
That's true.
Sometimes one song can make a bad day feel better.
I agree.
Do you play any instruments?
No,
Not even a little?
not even a little.
What if I gave you a guitar?
Then everyone would leave the room.
That bad?
That bad.
Maybe we should keep you away from musical instruments.
That's probably best.
I appreciate your honesty.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about movies.
Another great topic.
I love movies.
What's your favorite kind of movie?
Adventure movies.
Why adventure?
Because something is always happening.
That's true.
People are traveling,
Yes,
finding treasure,
hopefully.
solving mysteries.
Those are always fun.
What about you?
I enjoy comedy movies.
Really?
Yes,
You like to laugh?
who doesn't?
Good point.
Life is better when we laugh.
I completely agree.
Do you ever watch the same movie more than once?
Of course.
Really?
If I love a movie, I'll watch it again.
How many times?
Maybe 2 or 3.
That's reasonable.
Maybe 5.
There it is.
Maybe more.
Now we're getting the truth.
What about you?
I sometimes rewatch movies too.
What's the reason?
The first time you watch a movie, you follow the story.
Okay,
The second time, you notice details.
that's true.
Small things you missed before.
I never thought about that.
It's one of my favorite parts of rewatching movies.
Interesting.
Now, I have an important question.
Uh-oh.
Snacks during movies.
Obviously.
Good answer.
Movies and snacks belong together.
Exactly.
It's a rule.
An unwritten rule.
The best kind.
Now let's talk about food.
My favorite topic.
I thought books were your favorite topic.
Books feed the mind.
And?
Food feeds me.
Fair enough.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
You're copying me again.
I'm not.
You are.
Pizza is a wonderful food.
That's true.
What's your favorite pizza topping?
Cheese.
Just cheese?
Just cheese.
Simple.
Simple is beautiful.
You really believe that?
I do.
What food could you eat every week?
Pizza.
I knew it.
What about you?
Probably pasta.
That's a good answer.
Thank you.
What's a food you don't like?
That's difficult.
Really?
I like most foods.
Lucky. There are some foods I still don't enjoy.
That's okay.
Everyone has different tastes.
Exactly.
That would be a boring world if everyone liked the same things.
I completely agree.
Now, can we talk about travel?
Absolutely.
I love talking about travel,
Even if you're not traveling?
especially then.
Interesting.
I love imagining different places.
Me too.
If you could wake up tomorrow anywhere in the world, where would you be?
That's a big question.
Take your time.
I think I choose somewhere with beautiful nature.
Mountains?
Definitely.
Lakes?
Absolutely.
Fresh air?
You're reading my mind.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I think I'd like to visit many different places.
That's cheating again.
I know.
Choose one.
Just one?
Just one.
That's so difficult.
I believe in you.
Okay.
Okay?
Somewhere beautiful.
Very specific.
Somewhere interesting.
Even more specific.
Somewhere with great food.
Now we're getting somewhere.
See?
Food was the answer all along.
Maybe.
I should have known.
You should have.
Well, I think we've learned something important today.
What's that?
You really love books,
True.
movies,
Also true.
and food.
Definitely true.
Especially food.
Especially food.
We've already talked about childhood,
School,
family,
books,
movies,
food.
a lot of food,
An important topic.
according to you.
According to everyone.
I'm not sure about that.
I'm very sure about that.
Well, let's continue getting to know each other.
Let's do it.
This next topic is interesting.
What is it?
Dreams.
Dreams?
The things you want to do in the future.
Oh, I like that.
Good.
I have a question first.
Go ahead.
When you were a child, what did you want to be?
That's a great question.
Thank you.
My answer changed every year.
Really?
Sometimes I wanted to be an explorer.
Nice.
Sometimes I wanted to be an inventor.
Also nice.
Sometimes I wanted to be a professional athlete.
Wow.
I had a lot of ideas.
Did any of them happen?
Not exactly.
That's okay.
It is.
Life is funny like that.
Very true.
What about now?
Now I want to keep helping people learn.
That's a good goal.
Thank you.
I think you're doing a pretty good job.
I appreciate that.
You're welcome.
What about you?
When I was a child,
Yes.
I wanted to be many things too.
Such as?
A writer,
That makes sense.
a movie star,
Interesting.
a singer.
Can you sing?
Not very well.
Then maybe it's good that you chose a different path.
Excuse me?
I'm kidding.
That wasn't very supportive.
I support your dreams.
Thank you.
Even the singing dream.
Good answer.
What do you hope to do in the future?
I want to keep improving my English.
Excellent goal.
I want to feel confident speaking with anyone.
I love that answer.
And I want to help other learners feel confident too.
That's wonderful.
English can open so many doors.
It really can.
And I think confidence is just as important as vocabulary.
I completely agree.
Sometimes people know a lot of English,
Yes,
but they're afraid to speak.
that's very common.
I used to feel that way.
And now?
I'm getting better.
You definitely are.
Thank you.
Speaking of confidence,
Uh-oh.
let's talk about pets.
Why does that require confidence?
You'll see.
Now I'm worried.
Do you have a pet?
Not right now.
Would you like one?
Absolutely.
What kind?
A dog.
Good choice.
Dogs are friendly.
They are.
They're loyal.
Very true.
And they're adorable.
Also true.
What about you?
I like dogs too,
See?
but I also like cats.
Interesting.
Why is that interesting?
People always choose sides.
Dogs versus cats?
Exactly.
I don't think we need to choose.
A peaceful answer.
Thank you.
Let's make it more interesting.
Oh no.
If you could have any animal as a pet, what would it be?
Any animal?
Any animal.
A panda.
A panda.
Yes.
Why?
Because they're cute?
Fair answer.
What about you?
A dragon.
A dragon?
Yes.
That's not realistic.
You picked a panda.
Pandas exist.
Good point.
How would you take care of a dragon?
Very carefully.
Smart answer.
Thank you.
Now let's talk about things that make us happy.
I love this topic.
Me too.
Small things can make a big difference.
Absolutely.
For example, a good cup of tea,
Nice.
a great book,
Of course.
a funny conversation.
Like this one?
Exactly like this one.
I like that answer.
What makes you happy?
A peaceful morning.
Nice.
A long walk.
Good choice.
Learning something new.
I like that.
And helping someone understand something for the first time.
That's a teacher answer.
Probably.
Definitely.
Now let's do something fun.
What's that?
A quick fire round.
Oh no.
Oh yes.
I never know what's coming.
That's the point.
Let's do it.
Coffee or tea?
Tea.
Morning or night?
Night.
Beach or mountains?
Mountains.
Books or movies?
That's impossible.
Choose.
Books.
Pizza or pasta?
Pizza.
No surprise there.
Your turn.
Okay.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee.
Morning or night?
Night.
Beach or mountains?
Mountains.
Books or movies?
Books.
Pizza or pasta?
Pasta.
Interesting.
Why?
I thought you'd choose pizza.
I like surprises.
Apparently.
Before we finish, let's do a little speaking practice.
Great idea.
Everyone listening, repeat after us.
Nice and slowly.
My name is Noah.
My name is Allie.
I enjoy learning new things.
I enjoy reading books.
I love meeting new people.
I love watching movies.
One day, I want to travel more.
One day, I want to speak English confidently.
Excellent.
Great job, everyone.
And now it's your turn.
Tell us about yourself.
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite food?
Do you have a dream travel destination?
What's something that makes you happy?
Leave your answers in the comments.
We'd love to read them.
Today wasn't really about grammar.
Or difficult vocabulary.
It was about conversation.
Simple conversation.
Natural conversation.
The kind of conversation real people have every day.
And that's one of the best ways to improve your English.
One question at a time.
One answer at a time.
One conversation at a time.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today.
We had a lot of fun.
We hope you did too.
Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like more easy English conversations.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And remember,
You don't need perfect English to have a great conversation.
see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.